Nice car. Donkervoort from Netherlands. Only one in the Philippines.
Oh yeah.
What a car.
Ganda ng ano yan.
Powered by Audi Donkervoort D8. Taray oh. Ayun na nakasulat no. Nice car.
Kano ba yan? Itong
$160,000. My goodness.
Kaya, 5 million yata yun eh. Hindi.
lang.
Sa dami yata no, sa 5 million.
Oo.
It's a sports car. Ayun yung may-ari guys. So, how to operate that one? Wow. So yan guys, so umaandar pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. Di taas yung kanyang pinto. Ayan. Alright. Is it automatic, sir?
No.
It's a manual?
Yeah, of
How many gear?
course. Only 5.
Oh, 5 speed.
Yeah.
Oh. What is the top speed of your car, sir?
This is,
Top speed.
the top speed 320.
Kilometer per hour?
Yeah.
My goodness.
Yeah, yes, 500 horsepower.
How many horsepower, sir?
500.
500?
And the weight is only 500 kilo.
500 kilo too. Alright, bye-bye. Oh. Dre, bye-bye na Dre. Dre, bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.